Hello, my name is Dr. Hossein Kazemian, and I am the Scientific Director of Northern Analytical Lab Services here at the University of Northern British Columbia. At Northern Analytical Lab Services, we provide a wide range of chemical, physical, and biological testing services to our UNBC researchers, local community and industries, and researchers across the country. What makes NALS stand out is our unique location in northern BC. We are the only lab with this capacity in the radius of 500-600 kilometers. We are an ISO 17025 accredited lab with more than 20 pieces of instrumentations. We provide material testing, soil, water, and air testing as well. Navigateur helped us by promoting our facility, opening opportunities for collaboration with other researchers across the country. Navigateur has been a key partner in our facility. Happy 10th anniversary.